This thing going? Yeah, it's on. Hey, what's up, guys? Info Geek back in the building with a major update about KikOff.com. I'm excited to tell you guys that it finally hit my credit score. It hit my credit score. I went up about 43 points. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you everything, but I have a big announcement that I need to make really quick. So please settle down, enjoy yourself. This is going to be a very informative video. So what I would like to say is I decided that I'm going to go extra hard on building my credit, and I want you to do the same exact thing. So I'm going to be reviewing other credit builder apps such as Self-Lender, which is now known as Self, and another one called Credit Strong, which helps build your credit. It works the exact same way as KikOff does. So I can't wait to show you guys this. We got a lot of information to go over today. If there's anything you want me to cover in the future that you come across, any questions that you have, please feel free to ask them below, because I will be replying to the comments. You guys have been so supportive. This is the second video. The first video, over 200 views at the time of recording, which is amazing. Great feedback, and over 20-something subscribers. I couldn't be more happier, you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this credit score, shall we? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see right here on your screen, it is now time for me to make another installment. So that's what I'm going to do. Click to pay. All right, right here. So I'm going to click to pay my installment. The due date for this is August 7. I did that one already, so I'm going to click to pay. And mind you, I am paying early, so they're going to update me. Don't worry, I won't leave you confused. Congratulations on making your second payment. You should be able to see your first credit score before the end of the month. We'll send data to the credit bureaus once a month like other lenders, including credit card companies. Did you know your lender reporting data could impact your credit score? Or whatever. How so? Just information for you guys and for myself. If your credit card company reports on the 17th of the month, it reports your current balance at that moment, and your current balance affects your credit utilization. What's credit utilization, KikOff? Credit utilization is your total balance divided by your total credit line for a credit card. Divide your current balance by your limit. Pop quiz. If your limit is $100, you have $30 balance on the reporting date. What is your credit utilization? Guys, that would be considered 30%. That's what that would be. Am I right? Did I get that right? That's right. That's 30%. A high credit utilization will decrease your credit score because you are reaching your spending limits. Thus, the 30% rule of thumb. Keep your credit utilization under 30%. How much does credit utilization really matter? For you guys that's wondering. So we know payment history is the #1 most important factor, making up 35% of your credit. But credit utilization is the second most important factor, making it 30% of your credit score. The good news is it's completely under your control. Let me see. For those of you who want to know if you can't just cut your spending, let's see what they say about this. I can't just cut my spending on a monthly basis. You don't have to. Remember, credit card companies usually report once a month. Log into your bank and find out the day they report. Schedule your payments so that they're the business day or two before the reporting day. Make an event on your calendar that repeats every month. Profit. Your reported credit utilization rate will be the lowest number possible. Did you find this lesson useful? Yes. Now remember this, guys. Rewind it if you need to, because they're giving you some gems here. Make sure you always pay your thing before. But don't worry, that's another video that we're going to get into. All right, we're going to leave them alone for right now. We got enough answers from them. So I got 10 more payments that needs to be made. Let's take out my installments, then we're going to look at the credit. So July 7th, 2020, I paid that already. August 7, 2020, I paid that already. So September will more than likely be my my next payment. That one's due in 3 months, that's due in 4, that's due in 5. Okay, so boom, y'all see where this is going. Now, the cream and crop of the video. You guys want to see my credit score, right? So this is my credit score. Boom, it went up to 644. Now, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how many points that it went up, but we got some stuff we need to go over. Then I'm gonna switch over to Credit Karma and show you where my stuff is on Credit Karma. Now, they say we've added our notes to help you interpret it. You have too few credit accounts. For those of you who want to know what that means, this is what this means. You can improve your credit by opening new revolving credit accounts such as credit accounts or charge cards and installment accounts such as auto loans, personal loans. Be careful with opening many new accounts too quickly though, as most lenders will perform hard inquiries which can hurt your credit. Lack of sufficient relevant bank card or revolving credit information. Now, the mix of a variety of accounts helps your score. If you don't have a credit card yet, consider getting one. So before I continue, here's what we're going to do, guys. As I mentioned before, I'm going to join self.com. I'm going to join SelfLender. That's what I'm going to do. And that's going to help report to my credit also. Now, backstory. I used SelfLender before. It was amazing. It helped build my credit and everything. But the mistake that I made with them was canceling my account too early. I paid it off early and got my money, which was great because I needed it at the time. But the goal of these services is to have a credit history. That's what they care about the most, and that makes up a huge chunk and the deciding factor if you're going to get what you're applying for. So you need long credit history. All right, now the date that you open your oldest account is too recent. Well, I just opened KikOff, so it's a good thing you started early. With time, it said, this will no longer hurt your credit score. Just make sure not to close your oldest account. That's the accident that I made. I closed my account after 7 months when I really should have did the entire 24 months or whatever. The balance amount paid down on your open installment accounts is too low. If you have extra cash and the interest on any of your open installment loans is high, you may consider paying it down faster. Now, that comes from KikOff, so I don't have to worry about that. Let us know. They want me to rate their experience. Okay. We're going to send them some feedback. Great work. Consider a credit card for us. I want them to give us a credit card. That'll help also. And I know they can do it. All right. So now that we got this out the way, I showed you guys my score. Let's find out how long it took. And today is Thursday, July 9th. That's when it hit my credit. So about an entire 30 days it took to hit my credit. And as you can see, it's here. Now we're going to switch over to Credit Karma so you can see it on there. So let's switch over here. Now this is my Credit Karma account. Yes, I am aware that Credit Karma goes off a different system. They use Vantage Point or something like that. It's different from Equifax. Don't worry, we're going to get into that too later on in the series. But as you can see right here, it went up 43 points. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys extra proof. I'm going to show you what they're going to appear in your credit ad. You've leveled up to fair credit. Now I was poor credit before this happened. Right here. So I'm going to show you where they are. Let's see. Accounts. It's going to be on the accounts. I don't know why I didn't see that the first time. Once on account report past due. 778. I need to get that taken care of. That's the only thing that's on my credit. I got a lot of stuff off my credit. Let me see. This is not showing everything that I needed to show. Okay, this was SelfLender when I had it on my account. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the KikOff thing in a second. July. I started in 2018. I used it for 1 year and 11 months. And that's how I paid it off. And you see this? I got all of the green check marks. I'm going to get them again. And that's what I'm going to do. And this case was, this was closed. I closed it on April 22nd, 2019 is when I closed it and stuff. The Equifax. I think that's where it is. Okay, there it is, $11. It hit my account. KikOff Lending. This is KikOff Lending right here. You paid off 9% of this loan. Want to pay this off faster, try new, make extra payments, pay bi-weekly and stuff. Remind you guys, the goal is not to pay this off fast. That is not the goal at all. Let's see. June 6th. It hit my, it said it was open June 6th. April, May, June, July, August. I think June 6th is when I opened it, according to them. 12 months. This is going to last for a year, so it's only been 1 month. So I opened it in June 6th, according to them, guys. Sorry for the confusion. And as you can see, I got my 1 green check mark for June already. And this is an unsecured loan, of course, which is great. This is an unsecured loan, which is really great. This is really going to help. As you see, my thing went up 46 points, which is amazing. Let's switch back over. As I said, guys, I apologize. I'm not used to using this. I'm used to using my, you know, my computer and things. And as you can see, this is paid. That's definitely up about 46 something points. Click back over here. We're going to go to home. Yes, I do have the app, but I wanted it to be full screen and not half screen. 43 points that went up. Man, that is amazing. That is amazing. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate you guys sticking around for it. It means a lot to me. We went over Credit Karma. We went over the reason why my credit score is the way it is. We went over how we're going to fix it. And we already got our next game plan. I really appreciate you tuning in to episode 2. That's what this is, episode 2 of the KikOff series. I'm doing a series here on KikOff. I'm doing another series on Self-Lender, aka Self. Then I'll also be doing one on Credit Strong also, to build credit from all walks of the earth. As much as I can afford, as much as I can do. So please make sure you like, comment how you feel about this video if it's educational, and definitely subscribe. We're on this journey together. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys to show you all the information that I come across. And yeah, also quick question, how do you like the setup? Pretty dope, huh? You know, I got some more stuff. I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. I'm still working on this setup here, but hopefully it looks better than the last one. And yes, for those of you going to ask, I do love black tank tops. It's hot. I'm in Atlanta, so you're going to see that a lot. And yeah, I do know these need to be redone. You see all this new growth up here. But anyway, y'all ain't come here to hear that about me. Definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, peace, love, stay safe. I see you guys in the next video. I'm out.